Grammar lesson WH question. Frame WH question. What is a WH type question? A WH type question begins with a WH word and seeks information. WH words are what, who, which, whose, whom, where, when, why, and how. Yes, even how is considered as a WH word, even though it does not begin with the letter W. Examples: what is his name? What is your favorite color? Whose shoes are those? Where did the people go? When will you come? How are you feeling now? How to frame a WH type question. You can frame a WH type question by starting the sentence with a WH word followed by an auxiliary verb. What is an auxiliary verb? A helping verb like is, are, did, am, modal auxiliaries can, could, and then the subject followed by the rest of the sentence if there is one. We take the first example, look at the table. When did the show begin? So when is a WH word. Did is the auxiliary. It is the helping verb. Subject is the show and the remaining part of the sentence is begin. So this is an example of framing WH type of a question. So you begin with a WH word followed by an auxiliary, subject, and the remaining part of the sentence or the rest of the sentence. The second example is where is the library. So where is a WH word, is the auxiliary or the helping verb, and the subject is the library. There is no remaining part of the sentence. The third example is whom are we meeting. So whom is the WH word, are is the auxiliary, subject is we, and rest of the sentence is meeting. Let's do an exercise to frame WH questions in order to get the underlined part as the answer. The first sentence, we need friends to talk, laugh, share, and understand. Now what is highlighted? To talk, laugh, share, and understand. So you have to get this highlighted part or the underlined part as the answer. So what will the question be? What will the WH type question be? Why do we need friends? So why is a WH word, do is the auxiliary, we is the subject, and need friends is the remaining part of the sentence. The second example, the girls watched a serial. What is highlighted? A serial. What is underlined? A serial. Now we have to get this underlined part as the answer. So what will the WH type question be? What did the girls watch? So the WH word is what, did is the auxiliary, the girls is the subject, and watch is the remaining part of the sentence. The third example, he discovered the truth. What is underlined? The truth. So we have to get the truth as the answer. So what will be the WH type of question? What did he discover? So the WH word is what, did is the auxiliary, he is the subject, and discover is the remaining part of the sentence. We go to the fourth example. Eagles have been treated with respect and awe in Egypt. What is highlighted or underlined? With respect and awe. So we have to get this underlined part as the answer. So what will be the WH type question? How have eagles been treated in Egypt? So how is the WH word, have is the auxiliary, eagles is the subject, and been treated in Egypt is the remaining part of the sentence.